Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So we will begin with customization of this mode and then I will show you much faster access to it. So firstly, let's enter the settings and here we have to scroll in order to find the display option. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see right here we've got the eye comfort shield, which is the eye comfort mode in this device or the night light. So basically we can of course turn it on without any customization just by tapping on the switcher here, and as you can see, I hope that you can see it, the screen turns a little bit yellowish, I would say. And it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So you can leave it like this. As you can see, we've got the adaptive mode, but we can of course customize it manually. So let's tap on eye comfort shield, and as you can see, we just have to pick the custom, which means that you will manually change the color temperature. So just tap on it, and as you can see we've got this this switcher which will allow us to change the intensity. So by going to the left we can make it much cooler, and by going to the right much warmer. I'm not really sure, I can see on the preview that it does not look like it looks like in real life, because it's almost orangish, I would say, really vibrant orange color. So this is how to change the color temperature. Of course you can set it just like you want to, which option is most comfortable for you. What's more, you can set the schedule. So after tapping on it you can choose between 3 different options. So currently we've got the always on, which means that you will turn on and off this option manually. We can set from sunset to sunrise, and then your device automatically will decide when the sunset and sunrise are, of course, based on your time zone and the time. And we can custom it. So here it means that you can manually pick the start and end time. So let me pick start time around here and end time around here. Let's tap on done, and as you can see the screen is still with the eye comfort shield on, which is because we are of course between the start and end time. But let me turn off this option. So basically this is the whole customization of the eye comfort shield, eye comfort mode. So now I can show you much faster access to it. So after this whole customization, if you want to have access, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully. And here we have to swipe those options in order to find this icon with eye comfort shield. If for some reason it is not here, no worries, just tap on this plus icon and you will be transferred to possible additional, let's say, icons which you can add here. So of course this option is right now turned on. So in order to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see the screen will immediately go back to its normal state. Of course you can turn it on the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.